Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Have your tools ready, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner, to ensure a smooth process. Safety first, always. Now, let's locate the battery. In a Jeep Grand Cherokee, it's found conveniently under the passenger seat. Using your 10mm wrench, begin by loosening the nut on the negative battery terminal. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Once the negative is off, proceed to disconnect the positive cable with the same care. With both cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery hold-down. This might be a clamp or a strap, depending on your model. Once the hold-down is off, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, batteries are heavy, so lift with your legs. Take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any corrosion and clean it thoroughly before installing the new one. To install the new battery, carefully place it into the clean tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down mechanism. Now, reverse the disconnection process. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.